API bridge for TradingView algos. In this video, we will show you how to use TradingView for algo trading. You can deploy simple algos based on indicators such as Supertrend, RSI, or trend lines. You can also deploy sophisticated algos such as straddle, strangle, or butterfly. Algos are very easy to deploy from TradingView charts using alerts. As an example, you can set alert based on Supertrend. Or you can set alert based on oscillator like RSI. You can also set alert based on price. For algo trading, you need API Bridge.
How to subscribe and install API Bridge. Visit algoji.com. Go to the pricing menu and click on Sign Up button. Fill your details in the form to select the license of your choice. After subscribing, you will receive an email on your registered email ID with your login credentials, and you will be redirected to the API Bridge help manual. Click on Installation and Setup, then click on the first link, and now click on Download API Bridge. Go to the downloaded zip file, extract it, and run the installer. Log into API Bridge Launcher by entering the credentials received in email and start algo trading with API Bridge.
You can see some default symbols in the API Bridge window. You can add or remove symbols in which you want to trade. For receiving signals from TradingView, we need the API Bridge extension for Google Chrome browser. Add the extension on Google Chrome. You can see the gray alpha icon. This extension works only in TradingView.com website. In API Bridge, you can see the message handshake request completed with TradingView. It is always advisable to first practice in paper trading before placing live orders. Now let me show you how to trade an SBIN cash segment using Supertrend. We will search alert to buy whenever Supertrend triggers buy. To trade through alerts, you need to mention details like symbol, type, and price. This is all you need to place buy trade. No programming required at all. When the alert condition triggers, your order will be placed. Let me show you another example. Based on RSI momentum in Nifty underlying, I can place buy order in Nifty call. When RSI goes above 70, it shows strong momentum. I am setting up alert to buy Nifty at the money call option based on RSI buy trigger. Similarly, you can refer help manual to make trades based on straddle, strangle, butterfly, or even pair trading. Are you confident that you want to move from paper trading to live trading? In API Bridge, change mode paper trading to default. Click Login to API and authenticate your trading. That's all. You can now place orders based on TradingView alerts. You can use the VPS to trade from mobile. I have installed ChartBridge on VPS and I'm accessing it through Windows Remote Desktop mobile app. Now I am setting alert in TradingView. Mobile algo trading can be very useful if you are away from your desktop. You can set up free Amazon VPS for your algo trading. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.